Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to an unboxing. Today's unboxing is going to be for some dunks. Now, I've had a little issue recently with dunks after people saying that my luck would be cursed after opening an umbrella inside. It hasn't actually been that bad, but the issue is that I've recently had is probably like a first world problem. So yeah, in short, the issue is that because I dropped a bit of weight, I've lost like some fat from around my feet. So as of that, in SBs where I used to be a 9.5, in the highs or in some of them I'm still a 9.5-ish, but in dunk low SBs I have like no chance. Like there's just way too much space and it's not comfortable anymore. So I'm gonna have to start entering for 9s and yeah, just see what I'll do with my other ones that I've either already worn or I've got in my collection. I'm just going to try a load of them on and just see. But yeah, today's pairs I'm a bit on. They're nice, but there are other pairs that I'd rather have instead that are upcoming, but regardless, let's just get straight into this. Okay, so as you can see, we've obviously got our dunks. I've gone for a bit of a closer look, purely because you can probably notice something isn't there at this point in time. So yeah, I've tried to close off the space. But yeah, these are the dunks that we've got. We're going to go here, here, and then the bottom, or here, bottom, top. They are really cool, genuinely they are really cool, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know honestly, so let's just get into it. So we'll kick off with this pair, which I was sort of hyped to get, I will be honest. I was really looking forward to them, but a lot of people's in-hand pictures haven't been the greatest, which is a little bit worrying. Okay, so as per norm, I love seeing purple dunk box, it's nice. This one's got a little bit of damage to it, tiny bit, but it's fine. I'm not too fussed about that. So, as we open them up, it's just the obvious standard. I mean, yeah, I get what they mean. So this is the reverse Goldenrod dunk, and yeah, I can 100% understand what someone means when the color doesn't pop as much as you were thinking it would. As you can see, they are still averagely like vibrant, but you can get, like when you look at the pictures to looking at them, I mean, the tongue's got a bit more yellow than they've actually got to them, and I can get why the Varsity Maze dunks are a bit more sought after than these. Obviously, these are suede all over, and Varsity Maze are a bit different. They are nice, I will be honest, but yeah, I can 100% get what people mean when it isn't really popping, you know, like, wow, sort of thing. I like them. Do I though? But yeah. They are nice, but it is just, I get about the whole colour, like it just isn't really there, so yeah. But anyway, that is the first pair. Still, nothing to complain about as it is a dunk at the end of the day, so yeah. Okay, this is the next pair. This pair has actually sat around for a few weeks, I'll be honest, because I haven't really had anything to unbox with them. I've wanted to have like a load of dunks together to do unboxings so that you get like a variety, but it is hard to get some pairs nowadays, as you can imagine. It just is what it is when it comes to it. But yeah, I believe this place, or where I got these from, was the same place where I've won a couple of my personal pairs actually. So they're actually pretty decent for me getting personal pairs. But yeah, that is a different box. Okay, I haven't seen any boxes for these, I'll be honest. I didn't really see many people have wins, so yeah, that's a different box though, that's cool. So, if we look at the box, it's almost like one of the 10 boxes we're getting on like the level of. But yeah, that's a really cool box for an SB. Yeah, I'm surprised by that. So, this is obviously going to be, they are nice. Stop, Robert, stop. This is obviously going to be the Color Skate collaboration for the Kebab and Destroy Dunk High, which, yeah, I mean, they are actually quite nice now that I'm looking at them. They are nice, but I don't want to get sucked in by these pairs because I've really tried not to personal way too many like pairs in the end. I'm trying to have a nice collection, but at the same time, I can't be holding on to like 15 pairs, well not that much, like 12 pairs of dunks, it's just too much. Obviously on the inside there, you've got Color Skates, and then it says Kebab and Destroy as a little tag. The insole is actually really nice as well. It's actually a really clean design. It says Color Skates at the front of that as well. They are really nice. They are really nice. I like that they've got the same sort of material here as the Elephant Dunks. and the suede is nice. Obviously the leather's okay. It's not buttery, but it's okay. But yeah, it's a really clean collaboration, I'll be honest. Yeah, that's nice. That's the thing, that's the frustrating thing when it comes to winning pairs, and like, you want to keep things for the personal, but at the same time, I've got to be realistic when it comes to pairs, and I can't have tons. But they are nice. I'll decide at some point anyway. Okay, last pair is going to be a Dunk Low, so I know it will not fit me. But, see, the thing is that I wanted a separate colorway to this. This is still a clean colorway, but I wanted a different one to what this one is. So with that being said, we'll just have to see how they look, and then that will pretty much make my decision. I cannot open this. Okay, so for some reason the box is upside down. That's a new one. So this is the last pair, being a Dunk Low this time around. Now this pair, I was looking forward to, a different colorway of green, but these are the classic green. God, they've got a nice smell. These are the classic green Dunk Lows. Now, like I said, I'm worried about Dunk Lows because genuinely, I've gone from filling them to like being, I would say if you go in terms of where the like air like holes are, I'm on like the second row or leaning into like the third row now, which isn't a great look or feel because the creases, instead of having like a natural crease that occurs either a bit higher or at the end, it's like in the middle. It looks very ugly on a lot of the pairs that I've got now. So yeah, I'm going to have to make some decisions or get some socks, like thicker socks or something. But yeah, these are the classic green Dunk Lows anyway. So like I said, I'm very borderline with a lot of these pairs specifically. I think that they're all nice, but there are pairs that I would rather get and have and wear, and I'm just being honest about it. Like it's insane to be able to win these, but at the same time I have to be realistic with things, because I think in the last like month and a bit or 2 months, maybe just over that, I've personaled 3 or 4 pairs, which it's not the greatest decision to be doing. These are nice, they are really nice, but yeah, I normally come to a decision at a later date when it does come to dunks, just purely because I'm very hesitant and I have very poor decision-making skills when it comes to things like this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to start going half a size down in Dunk Lows, which is disappointing because my whole collection is like 9.5, so yeah. Realising that I have to half size down and my collection is just 9.5 is killing me, because on highs I can barely get away with it, but on lows it's becoming a bit of a hassle and not really too comfortable, which is disappointing. So yeah, anyway, that is going to cover this video. As per normal, let me know down below whether you've had any wins recently, what those wins have been. Colourway choices for laces, you've got green or white as an availability, so that's quite nice. White will probably pop a bit more against this canvas, but yeah, that's going to cover it. Like I said, let me know if you had any wins, W's or L's, and yeah, that is going to cover it. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time, which I don't know when that is because I'm trying to record a load of things ahead of time so that I can space things out and try and make different videos in the process. But yeah, regardless, I'll see you all next time. Peace. Maybe by the time this video is out, I actually have some of the other dunks that have come out, so you never know, because I've held on to some of these for like a month, so yeah, you never know. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Peace.